Welcome to part 2 of Golden from K-Pop Demon Hunters. If you've already watched the first video, then you'll know how to play verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, post-chorus. And this video is going to be verse 2, pre-chorus 2, chorus 2, and the outro. So this is how the final 4 verses sound together, and then I'll go through it line by line after. Enjoy. So for the first line of verse 2, we're going to play. So we're starting on the lower G, G, and then we're going up to the higher A, G, E, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D. Again, that is. The second line of verse 2 is B, B, E, A, B, B, B. The third line of verse 2 is so we're starting on the lower G, G, up to the higher A, G, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D. And the final line of verse 2 is which is B, B, E, E, D, 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 B, B, B. So that is verse 2. Let's play it again. After verse 2, it's pre-chorus number 2, which is slightly different to before. This is how it sounds. So for the first line of pre-chorus 2, we're going to play which is that down to the lower E, G, C, B, D, F sharp, E, D. The second line is B, D, A, F sharp, G. The next line is F sharp, E, G, C, B, sharp, and then the higher E. And the final line of pre-chorus 2 is D, B, A, B, D, D. So we're still on the higher D here. Again, that is... So that is that verse done. Let's play it again. Okay, next up is chorus 2, which again is slightly different to the first chorus that we played. This is how chorus number 2 sounds. So for the first line of chorus 2, we're going to play which is G, the higher G, and then F sharp, E, 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 B, B, D, D, A. The second line is, so we've already played that, it's D 4 times, C 3 times, and then B, played twice. The next line is which is pretty much the same as the first line. It's A, B, G, and then higher E, E, G, F sharp, E, D, D, A. The next line is which again we've already played multiple times, and then we're going to play playing A, B, G, E, G, C, B, D, F sharp, up to the higher E, D. The next line is G, B, up to the higher A, F sharp, G. The next line is which is middle F sharp, E, G, C, B, D, F sharp, E. And the final line is which is D, G, B, A, F sharp, G. So that is the second chorus. Let's play it again. final part to play is the outro, and this is how it sounds. So for the first line of the outro, we're going to play which is D, D, A played 8 times, and then B, the next line is which is G, and then A played 13 times, and then B, and then it's G, and then A played 7 times, and then we're going to play so we've played this already. It's A, G, E, G, C, B, D, F sharp, E. And then the final line is which is D, G, B, up to the higher A, F sharp, G. So that is the final verse. Afterwards, you just play the same line that we played at the very beginning, just this one. You play it 7 times like we did before. So that is everything for this song. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.